missed another bill payment. Let's fix that in Google Sheet. So here I have listed down all my bills and then what is the due date for each and every month and then how much is going to be the amount. I've listed down these details completely over here. So here at the top, I'll just try to go and say today, and then here I'll use the formula is equal to today. So which will give me the particular date. So whatever is today's date, that it will give me over here. So now I'll try to calculate whether this bill is overdue or not. So if it is going to be overdue, we'll be having the formula. So I'm going to say is equal to if, and then I'll open the brackets. So if this date is going to be greater than this particular day, here we have the entire date. So I want to just take only the day from that. So I'll say day of and then select this particular cell over here. And then if this condition is going to be true, that means if one is going to be greater than 18, then I'll have no value or else I'll say it as overdue. So this is going to be the condition, and here I'll do the absolute formatting for this particular today's cell over here. And then when I enter, you can see I'm getting it as overdue because the due date is 1 and that today's date is 18. So that is why it is set, it is telling me as overdue. So when I try to completely flash fill this one, so here I'll get it as overdue for all these bills since the due date is more. So if I try to go and change the due date to 20, see I will not get any value over here. So it is not overdue. So with the help of this one, easily you will be able to track whether your bill is overdue or not, and then you can try to pay all your bills on correct time. So if you wish to use this particular complete bill calendar template, I've given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out. Also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.